Problems with light fixtures, outlets, breakers? With Live Home Help, get on a face-to-face call with an expert for virtual assistance for just $39.99. DIY doesn't mean do it alone.
So the tools that you need for this project, obviously the two lights that you're going to use. I got some wire strippers, and also this is equipped with a cutting. It also cuts. I got some pliers just in case, and I got some wet caulking so that we can put it around the box, the plastic electrical box for weather sealing. Power drill, and also don't forget about your box knife. Just install this temporarily. So this is the kind that I got. Now this is the expandable ones. Now what's so cool about this J-box style is that it comes with these screws. What happens is after you put this through the wall, and if you screw it on like this, it actually locks in place from the inside just like that. So see that the flap goes up and it locks it in place. But it's pretty much on the other ones as well. But this should be enough to work with. Now it's always better to have more than not having enough, because we can always cut down on the excess. After we insert the wire through this box, I'm going to seal it off with some caulking so we can make it waterproof. There you have it. After you installed it, put a level on top just to make sure it's nice and leveled. Now that we got everything wired up, let's turn on back the power and see how it goes. Turn on the switch and let's see how it turns on.